Yo, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to explain how I turned $500 into $11,000 by only using Instagram and YouTube. This is a strategy that got me 4 clients, which in total generated me $11,800 for my agency. But you can use this for anything you're selling online. Either it's a service, it's a course, whatever you want to sell online, you can using this strategy, which so many people are using right now, especially top level influencers and course sellers. But I'm going to just give it to you for free because I already learned it and I want to give you free strategies. So let's get into the video. So how I did it. Firstly, you need attention. How to get attention? Either through organic or paid sources. Both on Instagram though. So basically, either post a lot on your Instagram like Reels to get organic traffic and attention, or you can also use boosted posts and ads to get followers. But that's the most important part, is getting more followers. Now what I did was I post a lot of videos. My best performing videos, all I did was boost those and click on the ad being taking me to the profile. So everybody watched my reel and they clicked follow, view profile and follow. All I cared about was getting more followers, and the only metric was $1 a follower or less. Some of my ads were performing at 30 cents a follower. So every 20 cents I spent, 30 cents I spent, I got a new follower. So with that math, if I spend $300, I get 1,000 followers. If one person out of 1,000 followers buys my program, becomes a client, I make money, I profit. And that's exactly what happened. I spent $500 and I got 4 clients in literally a month or two. And they all generated me around $11,000 in revenue or profit for my agency. So yeah, with that math, if you're selling anything that's like $1,000, $500, if you can just get the math down, it literally makes sense. And you're gonna get paid to grow your following, which some followers may not buy from you the first month, but if you keep posting, they're going to trust you and they're going to buy in month 5, 6. So that's the importance of growing your brand right now. So later on, you're going to keep getting more and more clients from this investment. So I profited the first 2 months, but I'm going to keep getting more and more clients from this investment. So for me, I spent $500. I got around 700 followers. And out of 700 people, the people that looked like potential clients, I DM'd them, had a conversation, and actually talked to like 6 or 7 of them, got them on a call, and I closed 4 new clients. And in total, I generated $11,000 in revenue. And using this simple strategy right here, which I literally made for myself, but I'm going to just share it with you guys because why not? So yeah, this is Instagram ads. They go to your profile, they watch your Instagram videos and reels. Either they follow you, you DM them, get them on a sales call. Or, this is my Instagram by the way. Or after watching your videos, they click the link below. They watch my YouTube videos. I don't know why it's taking so long. Probably because I'm recording, but. And at the end of every YouTube video, and in the YouTube videos, I talk about working with me. People can click this and book in a call with me. So either way, it all takes them to booking in a call. So I get attention from Reels and organic. They give me a follow. They start watching my content. Either they click the link in my bio and watch my YouTube videos, or just from Instagram alone, they want to work with me. That's literally the only process. And it literally worked for me. Super important though is have case studies in your bio and also have YouTube videos and reels posted, because if you try this and you're not posting content that's valuable, if you don't have a YouTube channel that's posting valuable content either, nobody's going to follow you, nobody's going to care. You actually have to be valuable where people want to follow you or people want to work with you. So as you can see, I literally posted a good amount of videos. So here's a video I boosted. And then people comment blueprint and I send them to my YouTube, which that's a whole nother video I can talk about. But basically it's an auto DM that every person that comments blueprint, I send them my YouTube video, which is, I think is this video right here that I send them to. I'm like, thanks for commenting. Here's your free resource. So with this, I literally get likes, I get followers, and I get subscribers on YouTube, and I get comments and people DMing me. So yeah, that's basically the whole funnel. Most importantly though, it's just the setup. Make sure that your profile looks good, that you're posting. If you are somebody that's interested in a service, would you follow your own account? People are not going to care that you live here, that you have that. They care about what you're selling. So are you posting valuable content? Are you posting on YouTube? Are you posting on Instagram? And is your profile set up professional? So right here I have my YouTube videos. So people could just click and watch YouTube videos. Then I got client results. It's literally all people talking about my service. Nobody's doing this like this right now. Then I got my service. And then I just got my life just as an extra giving personality to the profile. But that's all it is. Post a lot on Instagram. The best engaging one, boost it. Like this one. I also boosted this one. If it gets $1 a follower or less, just keep boosting it. $10 a day, $30 a day. As long as it costs less than $1, you're perfect. Because let's just say it's $1 a follower. You spend $1,000 and then you get 1,000 followers. If you have a service that's literally like 1,000 a month, you need one person from 1,000 people to buy your service and you'll profit first month. Next month, you'll make a profit of $1,000. You got to think of lifetime value of that client. If clients stay with you for 5 months, that's $5,000. So you spent $1,000 to make $5,000. So that's literally the math. And really, it's just, I'm going to say it again, it's just posting valuable content. People follow you. People see that you're actually giving results by posting a lot on your story, by posting a lot of YouTube videos. They're going to DM you, chat with them, sell your service. Boom, you get sales. You can also do this for a course. You can do this for a marketing agency, for a service-based business. This is the next wave, and I just want to share with you guys this because why not? And let's run it up. I'm going to be posting every day on this YouTube channel, so please subscribe, like, and comment below what I should post next. But yeah, I'll see you.